Well, hello y'all, this is Steve, Dichroic Glass Man. Dang, it's been a long minute. Yes sirree, Bob. Well, instead of catching up, let's just start at this place. It's been a long while since I've been on YouTube making videos, and a lot has happened. My health has been compromised in a lot of ways. I got old this year, which I don't want to admit, but it is what it is. So it's all about adaptation. Throughout the journey of life, I've had many injuries, and I learned how to adapt. And I've got some big ones now coming up that are requiring surgical remedy. I'm not happy about it. Needless to say, why am I putting my camera on this panel? Well, with the help of CBDs, this is what I'm now taking, Camel City hemp. It's like possibly one of the top highest in terms of science out there. Go to the website, you're going to see some stuff. You're going to get the info you need. This is helping me tremendously get myself back on track after 2 years of being gone after open heart surgery, and wow, there's no predicting what's next. So anyway, sold this panel here a couple days ago or last week. Love this panel. Woohoo. By the way, dichroic is the only glass in the world that can rainbow or create an image on both sides of the panel at the same time. I'll have to get out here in the sun a little bit better and demonstrate that, because it's way cool to watch. Well, so we're going to start out the process in stained glass. That's what my announcement's going to be. After a long time, I've decided, yeah, I'm going to come back and do some videos, but I'm going to do it a little bit different. I have two things that I'm going to protect, and that's my design, because I sell it. Oh, look at the reflections on the wall. Oh, just turning it. Anyway, two of the things that I do sell that I rely on for my income is my supplies from my Etsy store, my design program called the Genesis Glass System, and then of course my dichroic system. I will not be sharing that to the public. But how I get my glass made into a panel from my design, I will be protecting that. Along the way, however, I'm going to show you how I foil, and I'm going to spend a lot of time on this. Soldering, foiling, cutting glass. Let's just say I'm going to give you a lot of information, just not 2 or 3 of them that I sell a lesson plan for. It's, like I said, it's what I live on, is my glass knowledge and selling a panel or some supplies. So anyway, we're going to get back to this, and this little, starting out from brand new with this panel, I'm going to frame it up out here outside my new shop. We'll get into the doors here eventually, but it's still in the building stage, and it's going to really liven your mind when you see what I'll be introducing in by way of glass, refractions, reflections, all kinds of crazy fun stuff, programmable LEDs, Bluetooth, you name it. So we're going to have some fun here. I'm going to be describing everything along the way what you need. So as we build this crate, I'm going to define the tools that I use. Either you can build your own crate, or you know exactly what tool you're looking for, so that you can ask a neighbor or somebody you know if they have that particular tool. So we're going to make my video series, the new series. I don't even know what to call it yet. The Journey of Glass, I don't know. The Journey of Glass dash stained glass dash, I don't fuse glass. I'm not sure how we'll do this. I'm just saying, hey, again, a lot of rambling on here, but I got a lot of stuff to say, but I guess we'll let the videos do it. Looking forward to coming back in an impactful way and really having a greater effect on people as far as their stained glass, and perhaps some of the psychological, emotional aspects of glass life, synesthesia, being an artist. Why are we even here? Why did I choose glass? Why did glass choose me? All that stuff. It'll all be inserted here and there eventually. So I mean to have fun. Even though I've been out for a long time, doesn't mean I haven't been having fun. There's been some very difficult, challenging medical times. Very difficult. Very questionable that I would be here even recording. But I'm not going to harp on that. What I want to do is overcome that. You know, do I show you stitches? Nah. Can we just agree? Okay, perhaps. But let's move forward and do something really dynamic. I also want to, at every chance, let people know that I teach. I will set up private lessons, tutelage to anybody, perhaps. I'm being very open about that, but I can create a video program and I could make it unlisted. I plan on teaching here at my shop in Asheville, North Carolina, on a very advanced level, 1 or 2 at a time, at the most, for people that are really dedicated to glass and the science of glass in various aspects. Going to be getting into lapidary and all kinds of other areas besides stained glass that somehow are related here and there, and that's going to be kind of fun. So I'm really looking forward to it again, and instead of just being a lot of dribble, I'll just get right into it on the next video. We'll start making a box, see how it goes. Looking for feedback along the way. Oh, the big point is I want to collaborate, work with others. If y'all got some ideas for this and that, especially what I do or I teach or the supplies I sell, contact me. I definitely want to. I mean, being a solo voice isn't fun. I want to reach out, stretch out, make contacts with other people, business-minded people, where it would be appropriate throughout the video. If it's appropriate in this place, I will say I'm looking for others. So don't be afraid to, anywhere along my videos, any video I've ever recorded on YouTube, keep in mind, contact me, let's talk. If it's business, from my fused jewelry, for your store, for your outlets, if you're looking for dichroic components, or the dichroic borosilicate, the same stuff that Jack Storms uses and other people like him. My friend Robert Stefan from his Glassworks. A lot of stuff's going to be introduced here, and it's going to be fun. So hope to add some new followers. Tell everybody I'm going to start this motor back up, and with your help and suggestions, let's make it really fun. Again, 2 things I want to protect: my design and my actual transference of design onto the glass and how I cut it in order to make a window. Those 2 areas I will protect. But soldering, foiling, cutting, choosing colors, my strategies, I plan on sharing a whole lot more than I have in the past. So let's make it a fun ride. Bye bye.